All right, everybody pay attention. We're going over the bell ringer. So this bell ringer it has 4 different question type that we go over, and you're supposed to know before we move on to the new stuff today. Okay? So the first one is what we went over extensively for the change of rate. So I give you a formula for change of rate. Can anybody recall what is the formula for change of rate?
Delta y over delta x, right? M equals delta y over delta x.
So that's right, delta y over delta x. But if you rewrite that extensively, expand it, so basically is, oh shoot, oh man, hold on, can't do that. My pen is not working. So if you rewrite that, it's f x2 minus f x1 over x2 minus x1, right? So what is our function? What's our function here? What's our fx here?
That's a great question.
What's our fx? So what is our y? Y equal to what? Fx equal to what? 2x minus 1. So our fx is 2x minus 1. Okay, what is our x1 and x2? Our x1 is 1. Our x1 is 1. Our x2 is? Very good, 4. So when you do the function, so here, the fx2, that just means we have the function 2x minus 1. But the x here is replaced by number of x2. So our function is 2x minus 1, right? 2x, oh, this pen keep giving me trouble. So 2x minus 1, replace the x with 4. So 2 times 4 minus 1. Get that? Then subtract. And then fx1. fx1, it just means the function 2x minus 1, but replace x with our x1. So it's 2 times our x1 minus 1. You see that? Over x2 minus x1. x2 is 4 minus 1. Now you just have to solve it. 2 times 4 minus 1 is 7. Minus 2 times 1 minus 1 is 1. Over 3. 6 over 3 equal 2. Second question, what is the degree and leading coefficient of 2x minus 3x cubed plus 4? First of all, in the video I posted last class, I talked about the standard form of the expression. Is the question in the standard form? What is standard form? That's right. So standard form is when you have the expression written on the decreasing or descending order of the exponent. So in the question 3x, the exponent is 1, right? And then the second one, the exponent is 3. And the last one is a constant when you don't have variable. So is the question in the standard form, or is the question in the descending order of the power?
What order of the power?
Descending order of the power. Is it? Descending means 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bigger ones start with a bigger one and then go down to the smaller one. Is it? No, very good. So the standard form needs to be written at its descending order of the power. So you write the biggest power first. The bigger power is negative 5x cubed. Okay? When you move the number and the expression, you gotta go with, so it's 5x cubed negative plus 3x plus 4. So that is the standard form. Okay, so you will see those questions in the practice as well. So what is the degree? Degree is the highest degree of the entire expression. What is the highest degree of the entire expression, Annabelle? Look at the TV. What is the highest degree of the expression? Yes, it's 3. So if you don't understand what you did last class, this is a time to learn it. So leading coefficient. Coefficient is the number in front of x. So we have several numbers in front of x, right? What are the numbers in front of x? That's right, very good. -5 and 3 are the number in front of x. The leading coefficient is the number in front of x of the highest power. So what is the expression with the highest power? Can we circle it? Very, very good. -5x cubed. So our leading coefficient is what? What 5? Very good. It's -5. See, it's not that hard. You just have to learn the term. And our last term is constant. Constant is the number will not change. So when you have a variable in the expression, x can be any number. So that expression can change. But if you just have a number like 8, will this 8 change at all? Will the value of 8 change at all? No. So any number just by itself is a constant. So in this expression, what is our constant here?
4.
Very good. 4 is our constant because 4 will never change. So 4 is constant. Let's take a look at number 3. So far, number 1 and 2, any problem so far? No, very good. If you have a problem, answer you later, okay? So number 3. In number 3, we have 2 expressions represented by the P. So we talked about it on Monday. When you have 2 expressions and you have to put those 2 expressions together by addition, subtraction, multiply, or division, all you have to do is put expression together. So this should be straightforward. P plus Q. P is 3x plus 2x squared minus 4. And that's right, combining like terms. And plus the Q. Q is 5x squared plus 4x plus 8. Then you can underline the same terms. So 3x with 4x, okay? Then 2x squared with 5x squared, and then -4 with +8. Your final answer is 7x squared plus 7x plus 4. As you can see, even though this expression, when we combine them, we start with 3x, right? So we start with 3x, but you want to write your answer in the standard form. That's why you always want to put the highest power first, then descend the power. So we put x squared first, then x, then constant. Constant always come last. Sounds good? Number 4. Number 4, simple distribution. So today, in the actual class, we're going to talk about multiple term distribute, okay? But here, let's look at simple distribution. You should know this already because we talk about this in factoring. So 5x times parentheses, we have a monomial. Mono means one, so we have one term. Multiplying binomial, bi means two terms, okay? Polynomial just means many terms together. How you distribute? Remember, draw your arrow. So 5x times 3x squared and 5x times 4. So 5x times 3x squared, 15 what? 15x what? X squared or x cubed? Because 5x, the x has a power 1, okay? When you put x1 and x2 together, there's 3 x's. So 15x cubed plus 4 times 5 is 20, and there's no x, so 20, just x by itself. That's it. Simple as that, right?